We are in our second Airbnb and Else's house, and we are swapping the small TV with a big TV. So it cost us $500, 480 euros, like 3,800 Danish crowns for the TV. And then we had a complaint, so we're going to put Max, or it's a combination of the HBO Max and the Discovery Channel. And we are arguing if we should upgrade with putting Tour de France and the Olympics things on it, because it's a small add-on to the HBO Max. We did the HBO Max with the 4K, because like it doesn't make sense to have a 4K TV if you can't really use it, and then it's just big and pixelated. So that's what we did. Since last time we did a few updates to the house. So upstairs, and we had a few requests from companies that would rent it for the workers. So we still have like one bed here, but then we changed it so we have two beds here and the awesome fridge with the Danish flags. Now, yeah, there are two beds here and the table, and then we changed it a little bit downstairs. So we added I think we added the couch too. Was upstairs last time, now it's downstairs. And then we added a bed here. So the idea now is to to close this hole, and then I don't know if we're going to put the TV here or put it here. It's undecided. Might be best to actually put it over here. Yeah. So we close this off, so this becomes like a room. It's better for workers, and then we still have we have the wife there, and then we have like the dining thing here. So we still like have two chairs we borrowed from another house and put it here, and then we are upgrading some of the things because it's a little bit like there's not a lot of plates actually. They're over there. So we are changing those, and then we bought a like small IKEA thing, so people can, if they insist on washing things by hand, which is a good thing, we can put it here. And then so I was in IKEA, and then I bought a lot of plates. So they were like I don't know, little less than a euro, no, less than $1. It's like $0.7 per plate in IKEA. It's like ridiculously cheap. So you get like 10 plates. I don't know. I'll see if I can put it there. And then we were out buying chairs and a table so people can sit outside. There's a small barbecue, and then I'm trying to get the grass a little bit nicer. Keeps growing, kind of annoying. And then we have a new product. If you want it, it's available. It's called From Trash to Cash with Airbnb. So like it's a course where we teach you how we're turning like houses into cash using Airbnb to renovate them, and like what would make sense in the beginning, and then like how you like scale this thing to build up an Airbnb business for free. That's why like I haven't bought everything here, and we're like slowly upgrading. It's because first we need to create the income, and then when we have the income, we slowly upgrade until we have a level we are satisfied with. Oh, and we changed the internet. So now it has the QR code, so people just take their camera, then they're online. Much smarter. And then if they can't use the camera, then there's the name there too. So yeah, anyways, that was all for me. Subscribe. I'm Palle. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, give it a dislike, whatever you think. Yeah, bye.